What is up, gamers? It's time for a 15-minute Mario Party leg workout. What is up, gamers? It's time for 15-minute Mario Party leg workout. There's no warm-up for this one, so if you need to stretch or anything right before it, feel free, but we're gonna go into our first exercise, later skaters, in 3, 2, 1. That's it. Thank you again for joining Phillyboomfitness. I want to get another short workout in there for you. I know a lot of people don't have a lot of time. This one, I'm going to focus on just the legs, so that way we get some intense work on one body part. Well, several body parts, but you know what I mean. Make sure on this one, you're not bending your back all the way. Keep a straight back. So you're touching. 3, 2, 1. We rest. Easy as that. We're going to go through everything twice. Get 25 points for every complete workout. I forgot the math on that already. I think it's 300. But in 2, 1, join me back here. If you want to make this more of a cardio, add a little jump. If you want to just take it easy, do curtsy lunge. As you're going, if you're not up to that yet, you go at your pace. Right now, just getting the heart rate up a little bit, working those glutes, those hamstrings, the full legs. You got 5 seconds. We go into the Bowser balloon burst. 2, 1, rest. I don't have a lot of time, so we got modifications there. The regular rest exercise up here. Balloon burst, you're just gonna be pumping, but in half squat or full squat. 3, 2, 1. Pump it up and blow the balloon up. If you can't keep it balanced, just keep those arms out. The arms are really meant to just mess with your equilibrium. Get your arms working a little bit too. Come on, you got 10 seconds. Breathe. In through the nose, out through the mouth. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, shake it out. Get a lot of blood going into those legs. We're sitting down all day. There's not a lot of action happening in the feet and in the legs. So it's important that we get moving a little bit every single day. Join me again. 2, 1, down. Pump it. Losing balance. Lose balance, that's fine. You still get the Phillyboom Fit points. As long as you don't drop it, it counts. I know my squat form's not the greatest. We're working on everything here. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Now we got beach volleyball. All on one leg. I'm gonna start on my left, your right. I want you to get a wide stance and sit back into your glute and set. Okay? So 3, 2, 1, go. Make sure this foot isn't pointing out, pointing towards me. Or whatever way you face it. And you lift those arms up just for a little bit more dynamic exercise. You're gonna be focusing on your glutes in this one, the side thigh. Forget the name right now. We got Super Mario Party, we got Mario Party, like the best 100 coming out. 2, 1, rest. Just want to celebrate a little bit. I do love Mario Party, got a lot of love. A lot of these exercises are from the first 3 games, but I got a little bit from 4, 5. Other side, 2, 1. That's it. You're doing great. So I want you to leave a comment down below what your favorite Mario Party is. Which one you think would translate into a good motion. So you can get the Mario Party 2 exercise. Maybe get it to 30 minutes, make it full body, go only arms. Possibilities are endless. 2, 1, rest. Come on down. We got the Tug of War. So I want you to grab the rope, lift up those legs, and on every second pump, you're gonna do a leg extension. 2, 1, go. If you can't do this, hold yourself balanced and focus on the legs. You're gonna feel it in the abs. That's exactly what I wanted to happen, so it's working. That means, whoa, get your balance. Try and sit on the top of your glute, not all the way on the back, okay? You got 5 seconds, come on. I know you're feeling it, we can do this. 2, 1, rest. No shirt today, gotta use sweat towel. Bath towel, whatever. Maybe one day we'll get Phillyboom fit towels. Okay, 3, 2, 1, one more time. Pull it up. You wanna win this? Ooh, 1v3. You're the one. Come on. Time's getting in the way. Donkey Kong. Let's go. Ooh, I'm feeling it. Oh, I'm falling. You can't, you just gotta hold it then. Extend. 3, 2, 1, come back up. We got ground pounds. Ground pound down. So you're gonna be in a narrow stance. You're gonna squat as much as you can and then jump out to an X. Just like this. 2, 1, go. Really feel it in the glutes. Everything when you're squatting, you wanna shift all the weight back here as much as you can. Doesn't mean you're not gonna feel it in the quads. Just wanna focus on the glutes so we take the strain off our back. So come on, 5 seconds. Coming through your short list today. 2, 1, rest, shake it out. I want to be Donkey Kong because this is the only cosplay I can do right now. It's a lot harder to find overalls than you think. At a reasonable price. 2, 1, narrow squat and jump. All right, we're getting there. We got 15 seconds left on this one. We got a little bit of skateboard scamper. 5 seconds, come on. 2, 1, rest. Skateboard scamper, all on one leg at first. You're just gonna pump it like you're on a skateboard. You're gonna feel a lot in the stabilizing leg. Everything's supposed to just focus on that. 2, 1, go. Don't be afraid of a little jiggle, that's okay. We're here to just stay fit. Not ashamed of what we can do. Just trying to do better. 15 more seconds. Then we go to the next side. Come on. You got 6 seconds. 2, 1. Other side, come on. Go. I want you to know that anybody can do this. As long as you're trying, you can do it. 2, 1, and pump. Go faster, it's gonna be harder. I want you to keep this knee bent, so that way you're taking a lot of the shock. You're bouncing. This is for this leg right here, more than anything. 15 seconds, and we got bobsled run. You ready? Come on, 5 seconds. Get up. 2, 1. Rest. Bobsled run. We got 4 high knees to run the bobsled, and then squat. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Squat. Don't jump if you can't jump. 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mario Party 2, I think. Really sit into those glutes and use them to push back up. Two, 3, 4. One more. And rest. Good job. Oh, take a breath. I know Donkey Kong doesn't wear pants. This is a family channel right now. 2, 1, high knees. 1, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Ride that bobsled. Come up here. If you can't keep jumping, 4 of those, 4 twists. Right? 4, and squat. We can do this, 5 more seconds. Come on, 1 more. 3, 4, and rest. All right, bowl over. Once you get into that squat, you're just gonna step out of the way of the shell. Okay? 2, 1, squat it down. 1, 2, 3, 1. Very little lateral movement for the soul. Oh, I bet you're feeling it, because I certainly am. 15 seconds. I never know if that's good news or bad news. Come on, push through, 5 seconds. 2, 1, shake it out. This is for all the gamers out here. We all want to live game to our old age. Game forever, we gotta live forever, we gotta stay healthy. 2, 1, back in that seat. Dodge your shell, you're a little pin. We gotta make it fun, right? We're gonna fight losing our breath for 15 minutes. Might as well be Mario Party themed. Come on, 10 seconds. Get a little lower. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. Rest, good job. Bowser's Big Blast. So it's gonna be a pulse, push it down, and jump. Okay, if you can't jump, just extend onto your tippy toes. 2, 1, pulse, up, 1, 2, pulse. So you clicking the thing, you're blowing away because you lost. Check it out. I did legs yesterday. I'm trying to film this, so I apologize. Bit imperfect in today. Come on, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. We got 1 more round of that, then we go to the ground. We finish out. You can do this. No quitting. The only way we get better is grinding. 3, 2, 1. Squat it. Up. Almost off the balance. You got this. Come on, 5 more. 2, 1. Oh, rest. Come on down to the ground. We're gonna facelift with our legs. So I want you to lift up 1 leg and curl it, pulse it up. 2, 1, go. Curl it, pulse it, down and out. You want to do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just make sure you're feeling the squeeze. This one's all about those contractions in the glutes and in the hamstring. Curl up your foot. You'll see what I mean in the hands. 2, 1, and rest. Woo. You got the other leg? Then we're done, my friends. 5 seconds. Other leg, and I promise we're done. 2, 1, up, curl, pump, down, curl, pump, down, pump, down. You got it. Come on. How many can you get in 15? It's not about how many. It's about how hard. It's about intensity when it's short. Come on, 5 seconds. Give it our all, because it's all the time we got sometimes. 2, 1. You made it. There's no cool down today, so if this is the end of your workout, I want you to take 2 minutes to cool down, get your heart rate down. Other than that, I want to thank you for joining Phillyboomfitness. We just opened up a Discord, the fitness center. Link in the description, I hope. Follow me on Twitter at Phillyboomfit. Make sure to leave your comments below. Let me know how you did. Show me your Phillyboom Fit score. I want to know how you guys are doing. So until next time, this is Phillyboom Fitness.